Welcome, today in front of me Huawei Y5p, and I'll show you how to connect the Bluetooth device with our smartphone. So first we should enable the Bluetooth of both of the devices here, so by this way. And now wait a second, and here we can see that on the iPhone and here in our Huawei these available devices. And now just click here to connect to the iPhone. Where is it? Okay, it's here, so click here to pairing and wait a second. Now just here we'll see the codes here, click here to pair and in our device to pair. And here you can see that in the paired devices section we got our devices paired. So here just you should click now to the Huawei Wi-Fi, and here we got the message that our device connected with our Huawei Y5p. So that's it, that's how to connect the two devices. And now you can just here, for example, to send files or just whatever you want to do with that. And then just to turn all this, you can just turn off the Bluetooth on both of the devices, and that's it. So thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.